Task 46. Shopping list. Create a shopping list in the variable myList. The list should be a multi-dimensional array containing several subarrays. The first element in each subarray should contain a string with the name of the item. The second element should be a number representing the quantity. So there should be at least 5 subarrays in the list. So my list for the subs. For my shopping list, I add for the breakfast, so fish. I love fish. So fish for 5. And next is also add vegetables. Vegetables for 10. And next is, of course, coffee. Coffee for 12. Next is also the bread. Bread for 4. Last one is eggs for 30 pieces. Okay, next one. Next, write reusable JavaScript with functions. Create a function called reusable function which prints the string "Hi world" to the dev console. Call the function. So function, just copy this one, reusable function, console.log let's put the string "Hi world". And copy this one. Oops. Reusable function. Run. Next is passing values to functions with arguments. Create a function called function with args that accepts 2 arguments and outputs their sum to the dev console. Call the function with 2 numbers as arguments. So function should be a function. So function with args 1 and 2 should output 3. Function with args 7 and 9 should output 16. Okay, so function with args function with args 1 and 2. Console.log 1 plus 2. So it means we're adding the 2 numbers. So shall we say function with args so let's just say 14 and 4. So 14 plus 4 is 18. Okay, run. Okay, next is global scope and functions. Using var, declare a global variable named myGlobal outside of any function. Initialize it with a value of 10. Inside function fun1, assign 5 to oops global without using the var keyword. So So my global should be defined. So function, so let's declare function. First, let's declare my global for my global equal to 10. Next is assign 5 to ops global here. So ops global is equal to 5. Next on, okay, let's run. See it. So for task 50, local scope and functions. Variables which are declared within a function as well as the function parameters have local scope. That means they are only visible within that function. So the my test function call will display the string O in the console.log line will throw an error as LC is not defined for local scope outside of the function. So the editor has two console.log to help you see what is happening. Check the console as you code to see how it changes. Declare a local variable myvar inside my local scope and run the test. So the console will display reference error myvar is not defined, but this will not cause the test to fail. Okay, and change below this line. So function my local scope. So let's declare var myvar and console log inside my local scope myvar my local scope myvar correct. Let's try. Okay, thank you.